viewers, you're welcome back to another video with Learn French with Queen. Is this the first time you're stumbling on my video? Yeah, this is a platform where we learn French, and if this is what you're looking for, you're on the right spot. I say a big welcome. Do well to check my videos. If you like them, give them thumbs up, share the love button, and do subscribe. So today we'll be looking at a topic titled the French nouns, that is our nouns in French language. Okay, so just like we have in English, so also in French, our nouns could be a name of a person, it could be a name of an animal, it could be a name of a place, it could be a name of a thing, or a name of an object or something. So also we have it in French language, our nouns. And so most times in French language, the nouns always work with the articles. They work hand in hand. Okay, so let's look at our French nouns and how to make good use of them. Okay, for our French noun, we said they are names of a person. It could be a name of a thing, it could be a name of an animal, it could be a name of a place, and they work hand in hand with our articles, which respect in gender and in numbers. So we have something like les oiseaux. So if there is a plural form, definitely this is telling us of a number, that is, it is according to a number. That is, when we say le, it definitely means it's in plural form, that is, it is more than one bird. So definitely the bird works together as well to show us that okay, it is in plural form. If it is just one bird, we'll have something like oiseau. But since it's in plural form, the X is added to it, and then we have les oiseaux on the ailes. Okay, so we have la grammaire française. So since this is a feminine word, we have the grammaire and français. Français we ending with E, not the français ending with X. S only. So it respects the gender and the number in this format. So we have an example again. We have il y a un chat dans le jardin malgré le chien qui y habite. So we have our chat, which is a noun. We have our jardin, which is a noun. We have our chien, which is a noun as well. Okay, so let's look at other examples. So looking at other examples, we said if it is a name of a person, we can have it this way. We can have Eric. So Eric is telling us that the name is a masculine name. It's a name of a male. If we have it this way, Pierre, we know that it is a male. But if we have it this way, Marie, we know that it is a feminine name. Or if we have it this way, Veronique, we know that it is a feminine name. Okay, so that is when we say that a noun could be a name of a person, and that person will definitely indicate for us if it's of a masculine gender or of a feminine gender. Let's look at things. If it is a thing, we could have la table this way. We could have la chaise. We could have la maison. We could have le stylo. We could have le portable. Ainsi de suite, quoi. Donc, so we have them this way. How in French language, the articles must follow the nouns this way. This is when we say it's a French noun. So these are nouns that way. We just don't write table in French and just write it this way, table. No, you want to write your table, write it this way and not this way without the article. So it makes it incomplete, unlike in English language. Let's look at names of animal. If it's an animal, we have it this way, le chien. We have la vache. We have le chat. We have le lion. Ainsi de suite. So this is how we have it in French language, unlike in English language that you can just write lion. You can just write cat. It's not that way in French. In French, it is written this way. So let's look at names of places. We can have La France. This way. We can have l'États-Unis. We can have le Nigeria. We can have le Togo. This way. So, in French language, this is how we have our nouns. Okay, so just insert the street. So we have names of places, could be a name of animals, it could be a name of a thing, it could be a name of an object. So our noun works this way with their article expressing numbers and gender. If it is in plural form, we have it this way, le. If it is singular, we have it. If it is singular, then we have it this way, either the masculine gender or for the feminine gender. So we have it this way in French language. So I hope now you understand how to make use of the French words. At least when we are referring to nouns, now we know how to identify our nouns in sentences, in words. We know that they are not just written in isolation, but they work hand in hand with the articles, respecting genders and number. So if you find this video useful, do give it a thumbs up, share to loved ones, and do subscribe. See you till next time. Bye.